We're going to look at a project in Coronado. We have seen beautiful projects today. Some new, some about to be delivered. We have only, we're a little worried because I don't know if we have 20 of you, we only have one property for each one. So we have condos and we have duplex. Okay, starting price $179,500. The project has two security areas, basically. The one going into Coronado and our 24/7 gated community. Besides, Coronado have been for more than 45 years the largest beach community in Panama, with I think five, as far as I remember, 5 different brands, restaurants. You ask for it. You have Chinese, you have Italian, you have Peruvian, Spanish, whatever. So you can find almost anything you want in amenity-wise, living-wise, security-wise in Coronado. This is photo portrait. This is the pool area, one of our amenities. Beach. We're 7 minutes by car to the beach. These are the condos. We have four apartments per floor and 6 floors. Available, only 11 left there. We have made arrangements with the golf court, which is a professional golf court, for our owners. That way, they have a special price for the golf court. Usually, anyone it will cost the subscription will cost $20,000. For our people, it would be $3,000. Okay. Here we have the house, the spacious house. That's 236 square meters. That's approximately 2,500 square feet. 3 bedrooms, each bedroom with their bathroom and a half bathroom for visitors. Terrace, parking spaces, huge parking spaces for 2 cars. This is a photo of the house. You'll be out there Wednesday, I think. No, personally. This is the living with the open concept kitchen. One of the bedrooms. Biking areas for amenities. This is what we don't have the golf court in the project, but we have that arrangement with the golf club. This is our clubhouse right in front of the beach. There it is again. For kids, the playing area for kids. And that's Coronado. That's our Coronado Escapes project. We will hope seeing you on Wednesday. That way you can have the feel of the place. Okay. Thank you very much.